I got Animal Crossing Amiibo cards. Let's open them together.
Alright guys, so we are going to open these in order, starting with Series 1. Now I do have some Amiibos already, and I know how to make them as well. So I'm only going to be keeping some of these and then selling the rest. And these are not easy to open, are they? Okay, so this is what the actual pack looks like, at least for Series 1. And we're going to open these upside down so we don't even know what we're getting. Alright, so here's the first reveal. We got Willow, Roscoe, I've been wanting him, T-Bone, Winnie, Tiffany, and a holographic Red. I'm hoping for no duplicates, but if we get duplicates, that's fine. But there is so many characters that, you know, the risk of duplicates hopefully are not very good. It's not like minifigs from Lego. There's only like, what, 16? Alright, so we got Panchetti, Biff, Punchy, he's adorable, Kiki, I love Bob. Bob's just so cute. And Tortimer. I don't really know anything about Tortimer except for that he is not in New Horizons. Whoop. Packs are getting anxious over there. But I think he's a cute little turtle. I think it would be cool if they took the non-player characters, which these say that it gets one special NPC card per pack. But I think they should take the non-player characters that they're not going to use and make them villagers. And I think that would be really cool. And, you know, give people more characters to love. Alright, so we got Goose, Flurry, adorable, Opal, Deli, Fauna, who's super cute, and Lyle. I've never heard of Lyle. I have no clue anything about him. But I do know he's a non-player character just from looking at him. So that is all of Series 1. And we managed to not get any duplicates. So that's really awesome.